Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this Rambler 770 Classic 2-door hardtop. We'll hop in, we'll do a cold start, we'll take it for a ride. Okay, here we are, 1964 Rambler 770 2-door hardtop coupe. We're going to do a cold start. No need to put the clutch down since it's an automatic. Turn the key, pump it. She fires right up. Little high idle, which is great, means the choke's working. We're going to warm her up a little bit. We'll take her for a little ride, and then we'll get her through the paces. All right, we got some temperature in her. Warmed up nice, kicked off a choke. Idles down as it should be. Take her up through the gears a little bit. We'll bring her through the whinies a little bit. Responds well, feels good. Lots of people honking, giving a thumbs up. Real American Classic here. Got the nice vent windows open, get some fresh air in. Little American horn. Cruises nicely. Really good braking. Drives straight as could be. Handles well. 15-inch wheels. Power brakes. We're going to make a right up here. We'll take her through some twisties. Her is right up the hill. 287 V8. 3-speed automatic. Really great cruiser. Room for 4. Room for 5, actually. You can easily put 3 people in the back there. Go up through the twisties here. Power steering. Really easy and fun to drive. Shifts up through the gears nice and smoothly. Great color combination. Black with a red interior. Really stands out. All right, we'll pull up here. We'll drop off Jason and do some flybys for you. Flybys all done. Car feels good. Good power. Hope you enjoyed them. Car feels solid. Again, brakes, power steering. Really easy car to drive. One-handed if you want to. I don't recommend it. Always 10 and 2. But a really nice, drives straight as an arrow, good brakes, gearbox, good power. We'll come up here, take her onto the farm road, open her up a little bit. One of the great features of this car is the pillarless coupe, so there's no pillar between the front window and back window. You open up all 4 windows and it's wide open. And away we go. Really solid, straight as could be. Really cruises well. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Remember, comment below, like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.